Hey you guys, really quick video this morning. I realized last night when I was making meatballs that I was almost out of my Quatre piece, and a lot of you who have been around for a while here know that I use this a lot. So I'm going to use a fresh jar because this one, we don't want the old stuff in there, and I'm going to use that last little bit and I'll just make a new label for it. Now, I've talked to you a lot about this, but we've never actually made it together. But I make my own, I mix my own, even though, you know, you can get it commercially some places. It's not that easy to find, but you can get it. The proportions are about 7 parts white pepper to about 1 part of the ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. Okay, so it's white pepper, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. And so essentially what I'm going to do here is I have half a jar of white pepper in a new jar, and I don't really use white pepper that much except in this. So I'm going to use the rest of this and some of this, and then we're just going to do math and work backwards. And I have all of my measuring spoons here. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this out and see where we get with that. We're trying not to sneeze on camera like a Looney Tune. So what I think I'm gonna do is that is about 1/3 of a cup right now. And so when you think about what is 7, I mean, 7's sort of a funny increment. So I'm gonna do about 1/2 cup. Now this jar will hold a cup, okay? So we know we're not gonna get over it. We're gonna do about 1/2 cup of the white pepper, and then whatever that means. Now see, let's do some math together. So 1/8 of a cup has 2 tablespoons in it. All right, so that's a quarter of a half, right? So, I mean, essentially what we're gonna do is probably about a tablespoon of each of these other things. It'll be a little bit closer to 8-to-1, but I think that's probably okay. So, and that's it. So I'm just gonna mix all this up together. I'm gonna get another, a tablespoon of nutmeg and a tablespoon of cloves, and just mix it all up and put it in my jar. And then I can use it, you know, it's the classic thing is to use it in pate, but you can use, I use it in meatballs, I use it in, you know, kind of anything that's sort of pork, veal, that kind of stuff, okay? So I'm just gonna mix this up on my own. You guys don't need to see me do it, and put it in my jar, and we'll be off to the races. I'll have a new set. Okay, I'll see you later, bye.